Wait, 2,000 plus sold na pala to. Kaya pala ang daming nagre-review at nagugulat sa result. Dati sobrang nipis ng lashes ko, tapos halos walang shape yung brows. Sensitive pa eyes ko, lahat na lang mahapdi. Pero nung sinubukan ko to, ang gentle niya. Walang hapdi, walang redness. Ang gaan gamitin, super mild talaga. After ilang days, kita ko agad, mas defined, mas fuller, at mas healthy tingnan yung lashes. Pati brows, mas may shape at mas filled. Hypoallergenic. Plant-based. Waterproof. Volumizing. 2-in-1 kasi pang lashes and brows. Tipid, practical, at safe sa sensitive skin. Kaya pala marami nang bumabalik bumili. Kung ayaw mo gumastos sa extensions or brow tattoo, ito na yung mas safe at budget-friendly option. Mabilis maubos, so unahan mo na. Worth it for fuller lashes and brows, super practical.